Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that has the power to completely transform your life: daily habits that improve your personality and confidence. Personality is not only about looks or expensive clothes. True personality is reflected in the way we think, speak, behave, and treat others. Confidence is the inner power that helps us face challenges, express ourselves fearlessly, and move towards success. Many people think confidence is something people are born with. But the truth is, confidence is built day by day through positive habits, discipline, and self-improvement. Even small daily actions can create a huge difference over time. In today's world, people are judged not only by their knowledge but also by their attitude, communication, confidence, and behavior. That is why improving your personality should become one of your top priorities. In this video, I will share 7 powerful daily habits that can help you become more confident, attractive, successful, and respected in life. 1. Start your day with positive thinking. Every morning is a fresh opportunity to improve yourself and move closer to your goals. The way you begin your day affects your thoughts, emotions, and actions throughout the day. People who start their mornings with positivity feel more energetic, motivated, and hopeful. Positive thinking helps you focus on opportunities instead of problems. One powerful habit is using positive affirmations every morning. Say things like, "I can do this. Today will be a productive day. I am improving every day." These words train your mind to believe in yourself and remove negative thinking. Another important habit is gratitude. Be thankful for your health, family, education, and opportunities. Gratitude creates peace of mind and strengthens confidence. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems. It means facing challenges with courage, patience, and hope. 2. Improve your communication skills. Communication is one of the most important skills for success. A person may have great talent and knowledge, but without communication skills, it becomes difficult to express ideas and influence others. Good communication starts with speaking clearly and respectfully. Confident people speak calmly and honestly without fear. Listening is equally important. A good listener gains respect because listening shows patience and understanding. Body language also plays a major role. Maintaining eye contact, smiling naturally, and speaking confidently make conversations more effective. To improve communication, read books regularly. Learn new vocabulary. Practice speaking daily. Participate in discussions. Talk to new people. Remember, confidence grows with practice. 3. Maintain good body language. Your body language speaks even before you say a single word. The way you stand, walk, sit, and smile reflects your confidence and personality. Maintain a confident posture. Stand straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Walk with confidence. Maintain eye contact. A genuine smile creates a positive and friendly impression. People naturally feel comfortable around those who smile sincerely. Avoid nervous habits like looking at your phone constantly, crossing arms tightly, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting too much. Positive body language makes you appear confident, attractive, and approachable. 4. Keep learning every day. Learning is a lifelong journey. People who continue learning continue growing. Daily learning improves knowledge, communication, thinking ability, and confidence. You don't need to study for hours every day. Learning can happen through books, educational videos, podcasts, conversations, experiences, mistakes. Every day, try to learn something new. In today's competitive world, skills are extremely important. Learning communication skills, leadership, technology, and time management can create better opportunities in life. A curious mind always grows stronger. 5. Take care of your appearance and health. Your appearance and health create the first impression. Taking care of yourself does not mean wearing expensive clothes. It means maintaining cleanliness, fitness, and self-respect. Healthy habits include regular exercise, proper sleep, healthy eating, drinking enough water, Maintaining personal hygiene. A healthy body creates a healthy mind. When you feel healthy, you naturally feel more confident and energetic. Wear clean and neat clothes, maintain good posture, and take care of your mental health as well. Confidence shines through a healthy lifestyle. 6. Believe in yourself and never fear failure. Self-belief is one of the strongest foundations of success. Many people fail not because they lack talent, but because they fear failure and never take the first step. Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Every successful person has faced rejection, mistakes, and difficulties before achieving success. Believe in your abilities even when others doubt you. Every small step forward builds confidence and removes fear. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have and improve along the way. Remember, mistakes help you grow. Failure teaches valuable lessons. Confidence comes through action. When you trust yourself, you unlock your true potential. In conclusion, personality and confidence are not built overnight. They are developed through daily habits, positive thinking, communication, discipline, learning, and self-belief. Small improvements every day can completely transform your life over time. So from today, think positively. Speak confidently. Improve your body language. Keep learning. Take care of yourself. Believe in your abilities. Success begins with self-improvement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational and self-improvement content. Thank you for watching.